everyone. First off, I miss y'all all very, very much, and I miss seeing y'all all in person and all the times y'all make me giggle and getting strict with y'all and telling y'all to go practice and the little bit of stress of getting everyone prepared. So I hope everyone is staying safe, and you know that I'm always thinking about you, and if you need me, I'm here. So let's get started doing some fun stuff. Let's start with a squeak exercise on this video. So let's talk about voicing. We have a lot of options for voicing. And when I say voicing, it's where we're putting in the back. We don't want to play from the front of our throat, that kind of feeling. We want to just be like if we're blowing out birthday candles, right? Can never go wrong with birthday candles. And you just want to almost forget like your throat is even there. You just want to have your air come from here to here. You don't want to breathe from up here. This is scary breathing. You know, like when you see a spider, you go, you know, and you get scared here. And so if you're already breathing from here and you have problems with nerves and stuff, you're going to make the problem worse. So make sure that you're really breathing here, and that's going to be more like meditating, more like relaxing the whole entire body. So just sing dee, dee, and don't worry about how you sound. It should be fun. It should be silly. That's how you get relaxed on the clarinet. You just let go. Dee, 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 whatever. And then you're going to just feel where that movement is, and it should be teeny tiny. And then you're going to take your open G and you're just going to squeak it. Now, if you're playing your open G very open and from the front, that's kind of what you're going to get, except you may not even get the high note because your G is all the way down here and you're putting your D very high. And so the more that you can keep them close together, the easier you're going to be able to get up to the top. So if I'm going, it's a lot of tension, it's very hard to get there. But if I'm keeping that centered sound, and I'm doing a little bit much, I'm really getting a lot of buzz, but I wanted to exaggerate so that you could really hear that you can keep it close. And then you can move it around a little bit as you get more accustomed to being able to control the voicing. Now, if you have trouble doing that, you can put your finger on the register, your thumb on the register key. See if you can squeak that. Pull your hand off, and then you can see where that feels, and then you can try and learn how that feels and aim for it. You'll know where you're going, right? If I give you an address but you don't know directions, you're still going to have trouble even though you know the address. So you know you're going to a D, but you have to know how it feels to actually get there, right? So, and if you can't do that, then try doing the regular thumb C with the F hole covered and the register. And pulling off from there. So that's how you start doing the squeak exercise. And it's just a matter of don't try and force it. It's not going to work. And even if you do happen to get it out, it's not going to do you any good because you're not actually learning where it's at. You're guessing. So every time you get it, it's basically luck, and it's not giving you any information on how to do it consistently every time. And if you can find that voicing, you'll lose that struggle with the high notes, you know. Whatever high note you want to play. But also when you do the registers, like the different registers in your scales, you won't have trouble going over the bridge, and you won't have a whole bunch of different sounds between the registers and different notes. You won't have a kind of uneven sound, or you won't have that kind of having to push push this big sound into a tight sound to get over to the C. You want it nice and even. So I always call it, you're just playing your clarinet with your speaking voice. You're not changing things around. And I actually should have played that on this left side. So, got to be thinking ahead, right? Okay, so that's just a little bit on how to think about voicing. In the next video, I will actually just do the voicing exercises for you. All right, there you go. Go start thinking. Think. Bye.